What do you got, Blair?
I got that Super D.O.A.
What, he's got the Super D.O.A 2026?
Hell yeah.
What he's got? Mercury 20. I got the tennis ball Merc, bro. The Mega Death 2026.
So big man, you been down this?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Nice
I feel the pump.
Nice and
I
grippy.
feel me too, bro. I'm there.
That bottom is thick.
That is sick.
Hold on, let me get it quick. It's almost hard to like go on toe shine with how different it feels.
It's gonna take some getting used to. I'm the same way. I gotta pop into mine for ollies a little more.
Yeah, it's gonna be less forgiving. No mistake. You know, if it's really hard lock, you can't fuck up. There's too many people, bro. You can't even really rip. called a pump track.
Is that closed the whole time?
People were ducking it all day. I thought.
I didn't know that existed.
Yeah, that's terrain park number 2.
But that was just like jumping.
Yes, it's called a pump course. Pump track.
Hey, where's Scott and... They're back. They're gonna be in it. I ain't gonna lie.
Dude, Sam survived. Let me see the bottom of that thing. Okay, similar to mine. Very similar. They keep the mega and the super ones very basic. Yeah, this is a mega. Dude, this board is $1,000.
Let's go. Oh, damn.
I know.